Welcome back to part 2, guys. So in this part 2, I'll be teaching you how to edit your video right inside TikTok. So this is edit button. Click on that button. It will bring you right inside here. Now you're under edit. Okay, so let's see what the icons we have there. We have edit, we have sound, we have text, we have effect, we have magic, we have overlay. Now let's do split. Let's do click on edit. That's our first one. Let's click on it, which is edit. You have split, you have replace, you have delete, you have cut out, you have background, speed, crop, dynamic, volume, and all you have there. Let's try the split first. What is split? Which is the one you are seeing written there, split. What is the job of split? It is used to split a video. Maybe after recording you made a mistake, you want to cut some aspect of that video out, so you click on split. Okay, so when you click on split, it will split the video. Now you will move either forward or back to get to the exact point you want to cut out. Once you move, then as you move, you tap on the other side again where you want to cut. You can see that I've splitted one now. So if you move forward again, you just highlight the place you want to split, then you tap on that same place again and click on split. So after you are done with the split, the next thing you do is to tap on it and delete. That is what the work of the delete there. Okay, now after that one, let's say you want to do now you want to replace. Okay, you want to replace under, still under edit. We are doing edit. Okay, we are still under edit. Let's go back to edit and take the next thing there is replace. What is the job of the replace? Okay, if you click on replace, what happens when you click on that replace? When you click on replace, it will bring you to, you want to replace a particular section of the video, like that section. Now let's say I want to change it, the one I've highlighted. If I don't want to delete it, I can say okay, I want to replace it with by recording another video. Maybe you made mistake on that part of the video, then you want to replace it. You can tap on replace. Okay, and once you tap on replace, it will bring you back to record another video, to bring you to record exact seconds or minutes of the section you are cutting out. So what you need to do when you get there, you start recording again. After recording, just know that you are not changing the entire video. You are only changing that aspect that you splitted and highlighted. That is what you record. So you record again and just say whatever you want to say to replace that place you made mistake or something. So after recording, you will just click on done there. So once you click done, it will take you back to your video to continue editing. Now you can see it. We'll play